obukari okweshongora n'amashemererwa nibyo bibira hakabungo ka Kahunga Bunyonyi ahitendekere rya Fins Medical University obwo abeegi barikwereka amashemererwa bwanyuma yo kuheza emishomo yabo.
The primary evidence of incredible work of staff and faculty of FMU and our continuing tradition of academic excellence. As we celebrate the 5th graduation ceremony of Fins Medical University today, I am pleased to report that we shall be awarding a total of 820 students, graduates.
Chancellor w'itendekere rukushanga muri Fort Portal Dr. Charles Oraro ayahanangiriza abamazire emishomo yabo okweyongerayo.
I was reading this morning and I found that over 700,000 persons pass out from universities and higher institutions of learning, and so means that the job market is competitive. So, as has been highlighted, finishing the university training, you should be able to see that that's probably just the start of your journey.
Oguhona bashabire ngo nababa batungire emirimo bine kuratira amateka agaruka ebembera obushaho.
We require that you remain ethical and professional. There's no shortcut, there's no negotiations, the non-negotiable requirement that you should be ethical, principled. I know you might have acquired the loans for your work, but you should not get into coercing patients to be able so that you've seen that recover these loans.
Omugambi mukuru Dr. Medad Bitekerezo ashabira abamazire emishomo yabo kutungura no kukoresa teknolojia no kuhangahanga.
So technology cannot be disregarded. Don't cease to innovate. Innovation is advancing daily from robotic surgery to AI-driven diagnostics in digital financial transactions. Research sharpens critical thinking. It expands knowledge and it keeps institutions relevant.
I remember so many years ago, 2010, I only had a dream that no one believed in me that I could actually achieve. When I developed the idea of starting a nurses and midwifery training school that would graduate into a university, I even feared to tell people that I wanted to start a.
Speaker w'ishengerero rya Uganda Annette Among obira ryo mugenye mukuru ajwekize Minister w'ihanga habwe by'amagara Margaret Muhanga.
I want you to get out of here and serve humanity with compassion, with empathy and with kindness.
Gasha kwa Jordan Kisingwiri.